Hello everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate your Kohl's credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to activate your Kohl's credit card online, then it's pretty simple. Open up a web browser of your choice. In the URL box at the top, type in activate.kohls.com and press enter on your keyboard. This will take you to this page where you can simply enter your Kohl's account's credential first. Go ahead and type in your username on the right hand side of the screen and then type in your password on the next field. Make sure that your information matches the records. In case you don't remember your username, click on Forgot Username link and follow the on-screen prompts in order to look for your username. Similarly, if you happen to forget your password, click on Forgot Password and follow the on-screen prompts so that you can reset to a new password. After typing in your credential, click the Login button and you'll be able to log into your Kohl's account. Simply go ahead and click on the Activate button in order to activate your credit card. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.